Let us start from the beginning. What does character mean? It comes from an ancient Greek word that means something that leaves an impression, like a seal that leaves an impression in molten wax. We now use the term character when we try to describe the personality of a person and the impression that a person leaves on its surroundings, and how the surroundings view and experience the person. In essence, to describe the nature of the person. If the person is friendly or unfriendly, funny or earnest, helpful or not, etc. Character design means the creation of a visual representation of such a character. A character design is a drawing of the character that makes the character real and that serves as a template for everyone who is going to use the character, either by drawing the character or creating an animation of the character. The art of character design is not only to create the superficial look of a character, but to also give it personality. When we design a character, either for animation, cartoons, comic strips, or as illustrations for a book, we need to imagine the character as a whole. In our imagination, we must know who this character is, and often we want the way that the character looks, the character's shape, structure, proportions, clothing, hairstyle, and body language to reflect the character's personality traits, often by exaggerating some of the character's features. For example, a super strong character will probably have big, strong arms. When you design your character, you need to ask yourself a set of questions and answer these as you create the character. Who is your character? Is the character young or old, male or female, human or something different? Where is the character from? Is the character from a town or from the countryside, or from here or from abroad, from someplace similar or someplace exotic? When is your character from? From the present, the past, the future, or some unknown time? What is your character's history? Has your character had a happy or sad life? What personality traits does your character have? Is your character one of the good guys or girls, or is the character a villain? All of these things and more need to be thought through when you design your character to give it a strong personality. When you have answered all of these questions, then you can start drawing your character. Don't be upset if you do not get the character right on the first try. Character designs evolve over time, during which the different features and characteristics can be explored and tried out. A good way to start is to begin with simple shapes and features, using circles and ellipses, and using this to slowly build up the character over time. From the simple shapes, one can create a first character silhouette and then start with different versions, for example with different clothing, hairstyles, color palettes, to see what looks suits the character best. When you think that your character looks good, a neat trick to confirm this is to hold the drawing against a mirror and see if the mirror image also looks good. When you finally think that everything fits, then you have your character design. Would you like to enter our character design competition? If you win, you could be featured in the NCCA's exhibition at Poole Museum next spring and have a private tour, getting insider knowledge about animation from an expert. Tell us your age when you send us your character, and you will be entered into one of the 3 age categories. Scan or photograph your character and send us an email or drop it off at the museum reception desk. For further information, check the information on the description of this video.